This podcast was made with an AI voice generator. Today, I'm taking you aboard my imaginary boat, destination, at the 51 of Lessard Street. We are on the left bank, between the Saint-Sever district and the Mathilde bridge, to observe a fine example of reverse graffiti. But what is reverse graffiti? It is an original practice of street art by drawing works on polluted or dirty walls with a high-pressure water jet. And in front of you, you can observe the work produced by the street artist Paatrice Marchand, from the Rouen collective HSH, entitled Urban Cleaning and produced in 2020 as part of the 4th Urban Art Festival of the city of Rouen. Rouen Impressed. He offers us, through this fresco, an urban landscape on a grassy foreground, all with forms of white and black colors. You can make out 1- or 2-story houses and a building enveloped in long, tall leaves of trees. We will also note, in this somewhat austere universe, the smiling presence of a sun at the very top left. Know that if you are an owner and a street art lover, you can ask Paatrice to draw a fresco on one of your dirty walls. To do this, you just need to contact him on his Facebook page, Paatrice HSH. The link is in the description of this podcast. Wait, don't leave right away. I invite you to go to number 28, on this same street. 3 wooden garage doors were engraved by the master hand of Olivia Peroldi. The result is impressive.